In this short tutorial, you will learn how to remove favorite contacts on an iPhone. Having too many contacts in your favorites list can clutter your phone and make it harder to find the important ones. By removing unnecessary contacts from your favorites list, you can keep it organized and easily access the contacts you need the most. To get started, open up the phone app on your iPhone. Then tap Favorites. Now you'll be able to see all your favorite contacts. If you want to remove a specific contact from the favorites, simply swipe left on that contact and then tap Delete. This will not delete the contact, it will just remove it from the favorites list. If you want to remove multiple contacts from the favorites list, simply tap Edit. And then tap on the minus button next to the contact. And then tap Delete. This is exactly how you can remove contacts from your favorite list. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.